Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Today, family, I share with you how I season my sprats and my scallop shrimp or cardinal prawns to make them so delicious and enjoy them with my kinky or fried yam. So without wasting my time, let's get to the kitchen and in a few minutes, guys, let's get this done and dusted. Okay, let's get started. I've already washed my sprouts and my prawns nicely and they are smelling good. I washed them with lemon juice, salt, and white vinegar. As you can see, family, I'm using my kitchen towel to pat them dry, guys. So that after that, we can just season them and fry them nicely. They need to be patted dry so that they cannot stick to the pot or saucepan or frying pan that we are using to fry them. So now I've already added my all-purpose seasoning. I'm now adding my garlic, ginger, and chili. Okay, and I'm adding it to both of them, both the sprat and the cardinal prawns. Okay, I'm going ahead to add my fish seasoning, and now I'm adding my minced herbs. I'm now adding my chili flakes. If you have the powdered one, it's fine. I'm adding my onion powder, ginger powder, my garlic powder, guys. And now I'm going to use my spatula to mix it up. But the spatula might break them apart, so I'll use my hand and I'll flip the fish up like that. This way, I'll flip them up and I'm adding salt to taste. Guys, this video is so short, but the end result was so amazing. I like the seasoning. I like everything about this fish. So just keep watching and you will never ever regret it. Okay, so I'm adding salt to the cardinal prawns or scallop shrimp, guys, and I'm using my hand to flip the bowl up like this, and the whole shrimp is covered in the seasoning. I like this, guys. It smells so good. I'm using my cling film to cover this up and leave it to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes or even more. Okay, that's good. It's nice. It's well seasoned. Lovelies, have you given your girl a big thumbs up yet? Please do so if you haven't already. Okay, so now I've poured about 2 cups of flour, plain flour in the bowl. I'm adding salt to taste and fish seasoning to the plain flour or all-purpose flour. Okay, I'm using my hand to combine everything nicely. Once that is done, I'm going to transfer the fish first in the flour. Okay, I'll do this nicely, gently, and patiently, okay, so that I don't break the fish apart because they are just small, no bones, no big bones there. So take your time and then you transfer it in the flour, just like that. And now I'm going to use my hand to coat the fish with the flour, okay, like this, gently, because this fish is so small and they can just easily break apart. And I don't want that. So you take your time and you coat it with the flour. Wow, that's it. The salt on the fish is perfect. I like that. It smells so good. I love the natural seasoning. I love this beautiful aroma. Wow, so amazing. So guys, so far, if you're enjoying this video, please give a girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and families. Don't forget to comment. And if you are new, please, hey, you are warmly welcome. Subscribe to my channel for more appetizing recipes. Now that this is done, guys, our oil should also be getting ready to fry the fish. I'm using olive oil, and you can also use any oil of your choice. Guys, go nowhere. This is the game changing point. I'm going to add fresh rosemary to the oil. That's it. I'm adding fresh green chili, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm also adding white chopped onion. You can use the red onion, and I've added my star anise seed. I'm not adding the fish, or I'll say the sprouts, guys. This is so magical. My house is so aromatic and so magical right now. I cannot believe this. All I've done is to extract the flavors from the natural seasonings and the vegetables into the oil, guys, and the fish will surely absorb all these nice flavors, or the oil will penetrate my fish, and guys, the fish will taste so good. The fish will taste so exceptional. So if you haven't tried this method before, guys, what are you waiting for? You are missing out on a lot. So try this, and you go a long way to impress your friends and families. All right, my fish is now ready. This is the first batch, and I love the taste, the aroma. I love how it's so crispy. I love the crispiness. And guys, I can never fault this. I love the natural flavor here. I'm so impressed. So we're going ahead to fry the second batch. Oh my goodness, what an amazing aroma. This is so natural and so pure. What, guys? Try this recipe and bring me the feedback. Lovely, the infusion of the fresh rosemary and then the other natural seasoning and vegetables have taken my sprouts and scarlet shrimp to the next level. This tastes so amazing. I love the aromatics here, and I am so much impressed. I cannot wait to enjoy it. You can always use thyme, you can always use lemon zest. Just use any natural seasoning and vegetable that you prefer, guys. If this is your first time watching this video and you have never tried this method before, please try already, because you are missing out on an amazing and scrumptious recipe. Guys, food is served, and I cannot wait to start eating right away. So stay blessed. Thank you for watching to this point. I believe you are inspired. Try it. Just give it a try and you'll be amazed. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed and stay safe. If you are new, subscribe already. Okay, bye bye.